Hey guys, I'm Tina. In this channel, I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright guys, now let's get into the video.
So guys, let's read the question. Rahman is making a wheel using spokes. He wants to fix equal spokes in such a way that the angle between any pair of consecutive spokes are equal. Help him by completing the following table. So in this question there is a boy called Rahman, okay. So he is trying to make a wheel, okay, consider this as a wheel using the spoke. Spoke means like stick, okay, like this few sticks. He is using using the spokes to connect the wheel, okay. So we have to help him by completing this table. So here they have given that if the number of spoke is 4, the angle between each pair is 90 degree, which means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 it's there, right. So in this each angle is like 60 degree. See here 6 spoke means each angle is 60 degree. So here for each angle it is 60 degree. So in the similar way for 8 spokes also we have to find the angle, that is what is the angle between each pair of spokes, okay. So now we shall solve this, okay. So first there is a rule, okay. First we have to check if it is direct or inverse proportion. After that we shall go into the sum. So here you can see, here we have 4 and here we have 90 degree. So if the spoke is less, that is if it is 4, the angle is higher, isn't it? And if the angle is higher, the spoke will be less. So it is like if the angle is higher, the spoke will be less. If the spoke is higher, the angle will be less. It is like that. So like this, one is increasing and if another is decreasing, it means inverse proportion, right. So in this we are going to use the inverse proportion formula. So now we shall find for 8 spokes. So do you guys know the formula? If it is inverse proportion, we have to multiply this 2, okay. I will write it and show. For finding 8 spokes, that is I will take it as first subdivision. Oh, here we have first subdivision, so I will no need to mention anything, okay. So to find for 8 spokes how much angle is needed, we have to write it as 4 into 90 degree is equal to 8 into, we shall consider the value as x, that is the angle, okay. So this is the rule, we should write it like this. Then 4 into 90 degree is equal to x, which means 8 is in multiplication form. When it will come to the other side, it will become division. So now we shall cancel it. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and here 5. So now we found the value of x, that is 45 degree. So the value of x is 45 degree. So in the similar way we have to find for 10 spokes. So 4 into 90 degree is equal to 10 into x, okay. So now what's the next step? 4 into 90 degree by 10 is equal to, here we have to take it as y. We shall take it as y because here already we took value of x, right. So here we shall take y. So now we shall cancel it. 10 1s are 10, 10 9s are 90. So 4 into 9 is 36. So value of y is 36 degree. So here let me write 36 degree. So for 12 spokes we have to find. So 4 into 90 degree is equal to 12 into Z. So 4 into 90 degree by 12 is equal to Z. So now we shall cancel using 4 table. 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. And here 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 0 here. So the value of Z is 30 degree. So now we have found the values, the missing values. So here value of Z is 30 degree. Okay. So now what do you guys think? After this what should we do? We have few sub questions, right? So we shall answer that. Okay. So the first subdivision is, are the number of spokes and the angle formed between the pair of consecutive spokes is in inverse proportion. So we have to find write whether it is in inverse proportion or not. So in the beginning itself I told, right, it is in inverse proportion. So it is true. Yes, it is inverse proportion. So next we have second subdivision, that is, calculate the angle between pair of consecutive spokes on a wheel with 15 spokes. So here they have given that we have 15 spokes. Okay, let me write 4 into 90 degree is equal to 15 spokes are there. So 15 into A, I will take it as A. Okay. So we have to find the angle. So 4 into 90 degree by 15 is equal to A. So we shall cancel using 3 table itself. 3 5s are 15 and here 3 3s are 9, 0 here. Again we can cancel using 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 6 5s are 30. So A is equal to 24 degree. So now we have found the value of A, that is 24 degree. So you guys might have a doubt in this, okay. Not only for this subdivision, for all the subdivision, why did I take 4 into 90 degree? I will explain that. In inverse proportion or in direct proportion, in both also you have to consider the first value. This value is also given, but you should consider the first value, okay. It is a rule. Okay. So now we shall solve the third subdivision. How many spokes would be needed if the angle between the pair of consecutive spokes is 40 degree? So here 4 into 90 degree is equal to, so if the angle is 40 degree, we should find the value, find how many spokes are there. So 4 into 90 degree by 40 degree is equal to B. So we shall cancel it. Okay, 10 4s are 40, 10 9s are 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So value of B is equal to 9 degree. So here the answer is 9 degree. So finally we found answer for all the questions. So this is the answer.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.